How to post a GIF in a Facebook comment. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you have to head towards the post on which you want to make a comment. Click on the comment section. Once you are in the comment section, over here you're going to find different icons. Click on the icon of GIF. Different GIF options will appear. Also, you can search for the GIF that you want to comment. If you want to search for it, click on the search box and then type in the GIF. With that related GIF options will appear. Now click on the GIF that you want to comment. Also, you can type in the text along with the GIF and then send it. Well, this way you can easily post a GIF in a Facebook comment. This was really simple and quick process. By following the same steps, you can easily post a GIF in any Facebook post. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily post a GIF in a Facebook comment. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.